Yogyakarta is a wonderful land. There are many places that we can visit, such as beach, mountains, rivers, etc. Otherwise, Jogja Street is most wonderful too, such as the natural view. Yogyakarta or Jogja is the culture and historical heart of Java Island. Known for the majestic Kraton Yogyakarta and the grand temples of Prambanan and Borobudur. The city offers an unparalleled culture heritage. Yet Jogja also thrives with modern dynamics, such as the bustling Malioboro streets and renowned universities that make it a center of intellectual and artistic activities. What sets Jogja apart is not just its historical wealth but also the hospitality of its people, warmth of smiles and a willingness to share stories and local traditions make every experience in Jogja memorable and profound. With its unique blend of past and present, one of the social problems is Klepu routes. There are many routes in Yogyakarta that have broken because of many effects, such as the oldest route, the heavy vehicles, and poor irrigation system along the route. The broken route inhibits and disrupts people activity. Otherwise, broken route can cause many accidents on the streets. Broken route can affect the economy, travel, and traffic jam. For example, we can look at Klepu route. Klepu routes have been broken for a long year, and the government did not repair them to make better routes. People in Klepu were upset because of a broken route in their village. The broken routes have caused many problems in their village. One of the biggest problem is some incident because of the broken road.
Ya, nama saya itu Pak Dasman. Ya, saya tuh sering bersepeda gitu Mas ya di Jalan Gudean itu, tapi ya lihat sendiri Jalan Gudean itu sekarang sudah sangat rusak. Lihat saja baliho-baliho itu tertulis jalan rusak kapan diperbaiki. Jika saya bingung saja kenapa kok belum diperbaiki gitu, padahal ya saya bayar pajak ya selalu bayar pajak gitu ya. Tapi kok ya pemerintah kok sampai sekarang belum memperbaiki itu, apakah harus sampai saya tanami pisang seperti itu? Ya kalau harapan saya gini aja sih Mas, simpel aja. Jalannya dibenerin, karena kasihan juga masyarakat kan aksesnya kan lewat sini juga. Juga kan perekonomian juga akan terbantu ketika jalan itu bagus seperti itu Mas. Ya kalau dari warga sendiri ya harus aktif gitu Mas, menyuarakan bahwa jalan kita itu adalah jalan bersama, bukan hanya warga Kudian seperti itu Mas. Ya kalau pesannya semoga para pengendara baik sepeda motor, sepeda maupun mobil seperti itu ya, kalau yang lewat jalan Kudian dan sekitarnya mohon berhati-hati karena memang jalan Kudian itu sedang tidak baik-baik saja, apalagi dengan rute yang naik turun jadi akan sangat berbahaya jika tidak berhati-hati. Itu Mas.
In this video, let us speak together for the Yogyakarta government to repair many Yogyakarta road that have broken. People can demand our privilege to repair our road to make our life better.
The right way to solve the problem is to repair the damaged headway. We can see here that the Kaliurang road looks better than the road in Gorean. And of course, this will make driver more comfortable and smooth when driver.
Indonesia has heavily rainfall. This rainfall causes potholes in places that have a difference in height. This can be one of the causes of potholes on the road due to potholes. Stagnant water is one of the factors that cause potholes and cracks in the road. The water drain is needed to prevent water from pooling on the road. However, what happens is the potholes that are supposed to be a way for water to enter the road are instead used as sheet lane, blocking the water that wants to enter. Public awareness is needed not to fill water holes with cement or other materials so that water can flow. Other impact will be potholes or even flooding in your own area. The way to keep water drain good is to ensure there is no block of garbage and the size of irrigation according to the water capacity. The better the water circulation on the road, the better the road will be used in the long run.
We know that the road have broken. So what must we have to do? We must to ride be carefully, and so because of that we have not attend accident in the road.
The solution to this problem is to have a dialogue between the government and the local community to overcome the damaged roads. The government needs to listen to the complaints of the community and invite them to keep the roads in good condition and can be used safely. Resolving the problem of road damage cannot be solved instantly and only by one person. It requires the cooperation and concern of everyone in the community. We can still take part in the same effort as the government by taking care of the environment around the road. The goal is that there are no other particles on the road so that the risk of cracked road can be avoided. Hopefully, the development and smooth travel of all of us will become a common priority.